Welcome back to the Odd Rod Garage. We really appreciate you tuning in and check out the next stupid thing we're doing. This is the first ever Wild Car Wednesday. And what we're going to do is we're going to pick a car out that we have in the backyard, and we're going to give you a rundown of what we plan on doing to this car. Now, whether we'll ever get around to doing this car or not, I couldn't really tell you that. I've had a few cars for a number of years and we haven't got to them yet, but I still have the plan. So, bottom line is, this is the first ever Wild Car Wednesday. Let's check out what we're looking at today. This little gem is one that I've been carrying around for a while, and it is a unique car. Number one, it's not only a car, it's also a boat. Now we're going to play a little game on Wild Car Wednesdays, and we're going to show the video, we're going to draw the pictures, we're going to tell you what our plans are, but we're not going to tell you what the car is, because some of them are very unique cars. And hopefully someone will leave in the comments and be able to identify what the car is. This car was known for being able to go 7 miles an hour in the water and 70 miles an hour on the street, neither of which could it accomplish. This car was a dismal failure as far as performance is concerned. It had a little tiny 4-cylinder engine that was tucked in the back, and it had 2 propellers to enable it to navigate the waterways. The bottom of the car is shaped like a boat hull, and the seals on the doors are supposed to keep the water out, which most of the time they didn't. The car is full of rust and missing a million pieces, but I just wanted the shell. We intend on hot rodding this car. So sitting here in the weeds, you'll see an Olds Toronado transaxle with a 350 engine. We're going to secure onto that a jet drive. And this is also sitting in the weeds. This is the jet drive right there. It's called a Berkeley toilet bowl. Toilet bowl is the nickname. We figure if we have either a blown or injected small block setting almost in the back seat where all that nice rust is, and we put a jet drive out the back, we think it'll make it quite a cool little car. Now, the club members for this particular brand of vehicle are quite pretentious. They get very angry if you have one nut or bolt wrong on these things. They have to be perfect restorations. But there's not going to be any perfect restoration on this. We're going to build a hot rod. We're going to lower the windshield. We're going to run a blown or an injected V8 with a jet drive. We're going to tuck it down tight, and we're going to use hydraulics on the suspension to pull the wheels up and enable us to get the car more stable in the water. Oh, you can see my lovely face. So we're going to run on the house. I'm going to do some drawings of this car, and we'll see how it turns out.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it. Many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They say no to sleepless night. Will you find me? Hope you find me. Yeah, oh my Lord, watch me sway. Darkness falls and we all pray, hoping for the light of day. Down to the river, I have held the devil's hand, felt the weight of my own sin, burdened by the heart of man. Down to the river, down to the river. Oh, bury me, carry me, oh, far beneath, oh, fire and water me, going down deep, saying, oh, bury me, carry me, oh, far beneath, oh, fire and water me, washing me clean, kerosene creek. Mama taught me how to live, Daddy taught me how to give. Both of them had their own sins. Down to the river, every man has felt the shame. All our blood, it runs the same. Father, hear us as we pray. Down to the river, down to the river, sing,
Well, there's the cartoon version. Alright, so that was just a real quick rendering. I think it turned out alright. And hopefully you guys can leave in the comment section what you think the car is, and I'll disclose it next time. So for this Wild Car Wednesday, thanks for watching.